Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shopify Magic and the Sidekick AI interface to write product descriptions automatically, allowing you to bridge the gap between candid keywords and a professional, high-end studio storefront. Let's get into it. First, access the product editor on desktop. The first step is entering the technical backend of your 2026 store. In 2026, while Shopify is increasingly mobile-first, the full Studio suite for Shopify Magic is best accessed via the desktop admin to ensure total control over your layout. From your Shopify admin, navigate to the Products tab on the left sidebar. Click on an existing product that needs a description, or click Add Product to start a new technical guide entry from scratch. You need to be in the specific technical workspace where the AI tools are active. This ensures your 2026 inventory is ready for its high-end AI makeover. Next, enter your product title and core keywords. To get a professional result, the AI needs a mechanical necessity: data. In 2026, the quality of your studio description depends entirely on the specific details you provide. Fill in the product title, like Advanced Power BI Technical Tutorial. Think of the specific 2026 technical specs you want to highlight, such as software version, video quality, or specific DAX formulas included. These keywords act as the script for the AI to follow, ensuring the final output matches your professional market analysis goals. Next, prompt the Sidekick AI sparkle icon. This is where the 2026 technical engine takes over. Instead of using a standard template, you will candidly direct the Sidekick AI to build your description from scratch with a specific prompt. Locate the sparkle icon, the small starburst symbol inside the description box. Click the icon to open the small Sidekick AI type box that says Describe the changes. Type a prompt like Create a description based on keywords. By using the Sidekick type box, you are giving a technical instruction to the 2026 AI. It moves beyond amateur quality generic text and creates a high-end studio description that specifically incorporates your professional data. And that's pretty much it. To use Shopify Magic effectively in 2026, navigate to your product editor and locate the sparkle icon within the description box. Type a professional prompt like Create a description based on keywords inside the Sidekick AI type box, then select your preferred expert or professional tone. Review the generated text for technical accuracy and hit Save to finalize your high-end studio product page. This technical workflow allows you to scale your 2026 store with automated professional content in seconds. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.